Okay, so students, we are starting. Today is our second day of application of trigonometry. Day number 2. Okay, just 2 days, student. The chapter is over. Okay, but as I mentioned, right, you have to do a lot of work. Okay, so this is the first question. So out of 22 questions from the worksheet, I'll take very difficult question, right, and most important question for our today's class. Okay, and give your attention, student. Listen carefully. How are you going to convert this? Okay, and the last class, whatever we have learned, right, how to convert the word problem into a right triangle. Very simple. That's a root for that. Okay. So now let me try to create a diagram for this tool. Okay, a boat is moving. Observe from the top of the 150-meter high cliff, which means what? Some kind of mountain, right? A small mountain. Okay, from there it's 150-meter. Okay, so consider, I am sitting there, so I am observing. A boat is moving. Correct or not? So the angle of depression of the boat changes from 60 to 45 degree. Guys, the angle of depression is changing from 60 to 45 degree, which means the boat is moving towards the cliff, or it's going away from the cliff. Anyone can tell me?
Sir, away from the cliff.
Excellent. Okay, so when it is, so this is the ground. This is the ground. Okay, maybe see. Okay, a boat is here in this place first. Okay, it is here, and he is seeing, what is that line of sight? This is the line of sight. Guys, observer is here. Observer is here. 1 minute, I'll start record. Yes, I started. Okay, he sees eye level. Okay, so he is looking into the boat first here. Then the boat is moving, and same boat, not two boats, students, same boat. Okay, right? So guys, what's happening? They are asking, find the speed of the boat. So what do you know? What do you know, student? This, it is 150 meter. This is basically what? That cliff. And you can name it, student. A, B, C, D. Clear? So now the observer is here. These are the two boats. Now there are two right triangles. Anyone can tell me what are the two right triangles? One is ABC, another one is ABD. As usual, where I can put the angle? According to the depression, it is 60 degree here and 45 degree here. 60 degree here and 45 degree here. But no use. That angle has to be inside, student. Okay, then only you can use it. So now all the simple thing is, we know that this is your 60 degree and this is your 45 degree. That's all, guys. That is what the information is given. Now you have to find this speed. Okay. Sir, what do you know? They are giving in 2 minutes, the boat is moving from C to point C, from point C to point C D, which means this is a distance traveled in 2 minutes. Correct or not? Everyone agree with me or not? CD is the distance traveled in 2 minutes. Guys, you know how to find the distance in physics. If I say
Into time, sir.
let the speed, if I consider as a S or V, okay, which I can put? Shall I put V, velocity, okay? Let the speed V. The moment if you speed V, what is distance, student? What is distance? Speed into time, na? Speed into time equal distance. Sir, I know speed. What is the time? They said 2 minutes. Put 2 minutes. Guys, this 2V is the distance. Sir, why you are not keeping V or 2? Guys, this is nothing but distance, not a speed, not a time. Are you clear? So I know a super formula, distance equal to speed into time. Any doubt? Guys, the moment you understand this logic, rest of them are automatic. Rest of them are automatic. Any doubt? Any doubt on the diagram? Hari Shankar, do you have any doubt at the diagram?
No,
No
sir.
doubt? No. Okay. So let's start. Guys, as usual, the beauty of 45-degree what, student? The opposite side has to be equal to adjacent side. The beauty of 45 degree is what? Where is 45 degree? Here. So this opposite side AB has to be equal to BD. So you can directly write what? BD equal to what? Anyone can tell me? BD equal to what? 150. Opposite equal to adjacent. What is the reason you can say? What is the reason you will say? Since tan 45 degree equal to 1. Sir, my teacher is not allowing to us right, sir. You can write, no problem. But for board exam level, no, this will carry the marks. This is sufficient. Okay. Now coming to the next triangle. What is the next triangle? ABC. So triangle ABC. Guys, this is the way you have to take the triangle. First, mention the triangle, which triangle you are going to take. Then tan, which degree? 60 degree. What is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. AB is the opposite, BC is the adjacent. Now, listen carefully, student. Tan 60 value is √3. AB equal to 150. Guys, do you know BC? What is BC? BC is, shall I say like this, 150 minus 2V. Everyone agree with me or not? 150 minus 2V is this distance. Can I have yes or no? Instead of BC, can I write 150, the whole distance, minus 2V, it is giving you this distance. Say yes or no, quickly.
Yes, sir.
Now magic started, student. Entire equation, you have only one variable. Rest of them pure algebra. Agree with me or not? No trigonometry hereafter. No trigonometry. Hereafter, everything algebra. Agree with me? Start doing it. Cross multiplication. So what is that? 150 √3 minus 2V into √3 is equal to 150. Correct or not? Now all you need to do, move the variable to one side. Sir, keep the variable one side and the numbers other side. Right, student? So where is your variable? This guy. So I'm keeping minus 2V √3 equal to 150. You can move in other way also, student. If you change the sign everywhere, then this guy will become positive. But no problem. I'll move as it is. Any doubt in this step? Now you can take out what, student? 150. And please remember minus is there. So how to avoid the minus? Very simple. How to change the minus, student? How to change the minus? But the answer is seems different. Right? Answer seems different. What is the speed? 3/2 of kilometer per hour. Okay. Kilometer per hour. But whatever we are finding is minutes and meter. Are you clear, student? Meter and minutes. That's the reason. That's the reason your answer is different. So make sure that you have to convert. Okay. So guys, this equation will return you 2V √3 equal to, you are bringing this 150 √3 minus 150. So now you just take 150 out. It is √3 minus 1. And here V, so it is 2 √3. So you cancel this 75 and multiply it with √3. Make it rationalize the values. So what is the final answer? So 3 again. If we cancel these two, √3 will finally cancel by what? It doesn't become 25. So 25. If you multiply here, right? What will happen? 3 minus root 3. So this answer is what, student? This answer is, anyone can tell me what is this answer? This answer is meter per minute. Meter per minute. Agree with me or not? Now, how are you going to convert this into? How are you going to convert this into kilometer per hour? Anyone can? Do you know the method? Anyone know the method? Anyone know the method? Please share with me. How to convert? This already we discussed so many times. Harishankar, do you know how to convert meter per minute to kilometer per hour?
No, sir.
No. So Arch, do you know?
Sir, don't remember.
Don't remember. Guys, very simple. You see here, I am giving meter. You want to convert into kilometer. What you will do? What you will do, student? What you will do? You will just, I'll take this value. You have to divide it by 1000 to convert a meter to kilometer. Correct or not? First thing. Then how to convert minute to meter? This is per minute. 1 minute. Per hour means you have to multiply by 60. Correct or not? This is per minute. So you want 60 times, because per hour means I want 60 times. Clear or not? This is the answer, student. So if you simplify, whatever answer you are getting, that is your final answer. Okay, this you cancel this 4. Guys, if you cancel this, this is 3 by 2. The answer is 3 by 2. 3 minus root 3 kilometer per hour. Are you getting the final answer? Everyone? Are you clear what I did? So if I want to convert, so you can remember this as a mantra also, student. But you know, I don't want you guys to just memorizing the value. You should feel it. You should feel it. Clear or not? What do you need to? I need to divide by 1000, multiply by 60, so that my meter per minute will be converted into kilometer per hour. Akshaya, can I have S from you? Are you clear? Response.
Doubt.
Yes, your voice is totally breaking, Akshaya. Your voice is breaking. No, Akshaya, I'm not able to hear you. So make sure that your connectivity is good. We'll discuss, no problem, okay? So next, the angle of elevation, student, okay? Angle of elevation. Elevation means somebody is looking up, mean they have to raise their head. Depression means they have to lower their head. Are you clear, student? So when you are seeing that, where is the observer? Where is the object? Elevation means object above the observer. Depression means object below the observer. Are you clear, student? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So from a point A, so this point, consider the point, okay? Consider this ground, okay? So from a point, A point on the ground, okay? So this point, you are looking into what? A jet fighter, okay? So in which angle? 60 degree. Clear? In which angle? 60 degree. And this is the object, and this is the observer. Okay, observer is looking this object. The object is jet fighter. After flying 10 seconds, the angle changes to 30 degree, which means what? That jet fighter is flying this way or that way, opposite direction. It's going away or towards the observer. Anyone can tell me? It's going right side or left side, student? Which direction? The angle of elevation is changes to 30. Guys, think that
Then going to left side, sir.
going to this side,
Yeah, sir.
No, no.
For other side, sir.
Because if it
Because
is coming that, you think that object is here means you have to see like that, which means what? Your
the
angle
angle
of
increases
this
that side.
increase. Okay, it should go that side. Clear or not? So
Yes,
it
sir.
is going this way. No problem. So it's going this way. So all the things, guys, small, because diagram is ultimate, na? Diagram is ultimate. If any problem in the wrong in the problem, sorry, the wrong in the diagram, student, you will not get any marks. Okay, very important. Okay, diagram is ultimate. Okay, and in which speed is playing, student? 64,864, sorry, 648 kilometer per hour it is going. They are giving the speed, but no use, na. We don't want the what? We don't want the speed. We want the distance. So, guys, I'm going to help you how to find the distance. Listen, guys, you see, nicely we constructed the right triangles. Nicely we constructed the right triangles. One we got, other you can create like this. Okay. So, any doubt on the construction of the triangle of the diagram? Okay. So this is 60-degree, student. So your 60 is not this. Okay, and maybe you can put 60 here, and this is your 30 degree, and any height, guys, they are giving 64. You can find this distance, student, using this data. 1 minute, student, 1 minute. So much info. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you just start CS class, week 5?
Oh, and now they are having now.
From 8 to 9:30 there is class now.
Okay, okay, sir. Link 5.
Just started 6:30. Just send me a message.
Yes, yes, I'm starting.
Or link 5.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys, can you convert this into meter? Why we need meters, sir? Because normally kilometers lengthy. Clear or not? Let's convert into meter, and this hour we can convert into seconds, student. So why we are converting? To put the appropriate distance, student. So you should know again the same problem, student. You should know how to convert. In physics also you might be using that. Clear or not? So I want for your first duty, student, convert 648 kilometer per hour, 648 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Very simple, student. Okay, this is 1 hour. This is for 1 hour. So I want it for 1 second.
Right, sir.
What Shivani is talking? Who is talking?
Sir, 60 by 1000, right, sir?
60 by 1000. How come 1000 you are saying that? Now I want second. You have to convert second. And kilometer. Kilometer to meter, you have to multiply 1000. Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000. Okay. 648 multiplying by 1000. Okay. Then this hour you want what? In 1 hour, how many seconds are there?
3600.
Are you clear, student, how to? This will help you for your physics problem also. This will help you for your physics problem also. I am going to mark this, student, not just one. Can I mark this? Distance traveled in 10 seconds. Distance in how many seconds? 10 seconds. Can you tell me this is for 1 second? 10 seconds mean you have to multiply by 1000. So multiply by 10 seconds. Are you clear how this is getting formed? This is 6048 kilometers. So I am converting into meter by multiplying by 1000. And this hour is converted into second by that is converted into what? Second. 3000 is 300. Now this is for per second. I am multiplying by 10 seconds so that I will get distance. Distance equal to what? Speed into time. So this answer, student, will give you this distance. Agree with me or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm trying my best. Okay, these are all very difficult level. In JE level also student will difficult to understand.
Sir, 5 by 18 into 10.
What is that? What is the answer?
No, that simplification. 1000 by 3600 is 5 by 18.
Oh, yeah. This you are saying that. Okay. Can you tell me the final answer, student? Can you tell me the final answer? This is a 4 table, na? 9 4s are 36, 25 4s are this. Then again 9 table, will it go? Cancel? Check that, student. Yes, this will go. 7 6 are 7 9s are 63, then 2. So guys, 72 into 25 is what? Anyone? What is the answer, guys? Quickly.
Sir, 1800.
1800, right? Is it correct or not? Anyone, someone else also please confirm. Or it is meter. It is meter. So guys, I got this meter. Guys, this is a challenging part. Now nothing to worry. All your speed, time, everything addressed. Clear or not? Now you can take your, this problem will become normal problem. A, B, C, D, E. And we are expecting this time, again repeatedly saying that you are big question, the 5-mark question expecting from application of trigonometry. Okay, make sure that you are solving all the difficult level question. Guys, now coming to the these things. Okay, can you take, what is the question, student? What is the question? Find the constant height. So they are asking h, constant height. So you can take this triangle, student, and you can take the whole triangle. Okay, I'll take the, which one? I'll take the small triangle first. And no 45 degree. So you are taking everything A, B, C. Guys, first name the triangle, then which theta. Anyone tell me, in triangle ABC, it is,
ABE, right, sir?
no, I'm taking A, sorry, ABE. Correct. ABE. In triangle ABE, guys, in triangle ABE, tan 30 or 60, which is correct? 30 is there or 60 is there in triangle ABE?
Sir, 60.
60. Tan 60. Opposite is what? EB. Adjacent AB. So guys, tell me, tan 60 is what? √3.
√3.
EB is H. AB. Okay. Can you tell me what is H here? √3 into AB. Put equation number 1. Put equation number 1. Now coming to the second triangle. ACD. Bolo ACD. Tan Harishankar, can you tell me which degree I have to take in triangle ACD?
Tan 30.
Harishankar, tan 30. Excellent. Tan 30 degree. Opposite side is what? For 30, opposite side is what? EB or BD? Which is opposite side for 30?
B.
DC. Correct or not? I'm taking this triangle, na? So CD.
BC.
And Harishankar, can you tell me what is the adjacent side for this 30? It is AB or AC?
AC.
AC. Excellent. Guys, these are all small things, right? If you are expert in this, the problem will be
1 by
automatically solved.
√3 is equals to
H equal to AC what? AC what will say, student? 1800 plus AB.
AB.
So now can you tell me H equal to what? This guy you can bring this side. What is that? 1800 plus AB upon
by √3.
3. Guys, if you notice this equation number 2, if you notice equation 1 and 2, both side LHS are H, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
shall I say 1 equal to 2? Correct or not? Because LHS are equal. then RHS must be equal. Agree with me or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Guys, very simple. So root 3 AB
Into
equal to 1800 AB upon root 3. So you can bring root 3 this side. What is the answer?
3AB.
3AB minus AB equal to 1800, which implies what? 2AB equal to 1800. So AB equal to what? 900.
900.
Guys, AB equal to this. But the question
Meter.
is that no, they didn't ask what is the value of AB. They are asking what is the value of H. Then why I find AB? Unit
Sir,
is what?
from
Meter.
1 we can substitute AB value.
Ah, if I put here, I will get H. This is what the secret here. So which implies H equal to 900 root 3 meter. Sir, whether I need to take 900 root 3, they didn't give you, but the final answer they are using what? 1558. Guys, can you apply instead of root 3, 1.73 and multiply with 900? Someone please confirm the answer.
Sir, if we'll keep that as the answer, they'll not give the mark, sir.
Yeah, they will give the mark because they didn't give you the value. Now, guys, I told you very clearly.
Yes, sir.
If they are not explicitly telling that you have to apply, you don't want to apply. No need to worry. Sir, no, sir, I have time. I want to apply. Yes, do it. Clear or not? So this value is equal to, if you multiply that, you will get 1.88 meters. Okay. Finally, please write the answer, student. Write the answer. What you will write?
Sir, if we'll multiply into 1.73, we'll get 1557, sir.
No, 1.732. 1.732. Sir, if I take 1.73, no problem, guys. Small, that small point will not be considered. No problem. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
this answer also correct. This answer, because they didn't say what is the value you have to take. Still, I am taking because the answer which I gave, right? That's the reason I gave. Okay. Required height is what? You will say 188. Guys, unit is very important. Whether you are putting meter here, no matter. The final answer unit is must. Are you clear? Harishankar, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
It's very, very important. All the questions are, guys, it's not like even normal NCERT. Okay. All questions are difficult because we discussed all simple questions in the last class. I know that these questions are difficult only. Okay, next. Start. So guys, again cloud starts, right? This is the lake. And above the lake, 200 meters, student, 200 meter, okay? Harishankar, you are standing here and you are looking the cloud, right? In which angle? Them always, you know, your angle is with respect to your eye level, So guys, this is your cloud, okay? And which angle you are looking? 30-degree angle. Guys, since I said this is the lake, what is the property? 1 minute. Sir?
When you get time, can you just take NTA website and tell me the results are late tonight or what is it tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I'll check. I'll give you, sir. Yes, sir.
NTA official website.
Yes, sir. NDA
There are
official.
some rumors that it will be at 10 o'clock today and someone saying tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I'll take it, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So we are all expecting the NTA result, student, right? Do you know what is NTA? Right? That's an organization conducting JEE exam, student, right? And we have a organization and we are expecting our students will be top level in India, right? All India rank level we are expecting student, all India ranks. Okay, anyhow, good. You will all came to know after your 10th standard, right? These kind of story you will get. Some of the school they already started, right? In 8th standard, sir, without knowing anything. Guys, what will happen? This cloud, you see here, this is angle of elevation. Now, Harishankar, you are looking into same cloud which is reflecting, you know, you can see on the inside the water also, right? That's what they're saying. The angle of depression, its reflection In the lake, it is 60 degree. Correct or not? So from here, you are looking to here. Okay. So it's very, very important, student, considering. Guys, it seems it's a very complex diagram, but are you able to feel it, student? Are you able to feel it? I explain one by one, pinch by pinch. Correct or not? Correct or not? So this is here. So guys, this is the cloud. The reflection, its reflection, you can find it here. And this is in which angle? 60 degrees. And what do you know, student? I know only this side. If you know this side, this also 200 meter. Anyone having any doubts?
The 60 degrees inside that triangle, right, sir? That small triangle.
No, what's happening, Shivani? This is the place observer is there. The
Yes.
observer looking the cloud and 30 degree. Now this reflection, it's reflection inside the water, na? Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
And he is looking here also, clear or not? And it is 60 degree. This is the horizontal level, na?
Yes, sir. He's seeing, and that triangle inside that 60 degree will come, right, sir?
Yeah. This is 60 degree. No, I'm not sure. You where you want? This is correct or not? Are you able to follow me or not?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. No.
Yes. Super. Guys, now in physics, do you know one property? How much height from the lake? The same height it will be there. Okay. Are you clear? This is physics property. Correct or not? So if I put number x here, student, if I say, guys, maybe if I put maybe h, no, the height of the things, entire height is h, student. Entire height is h. Okay. Or you can put x, no problem. You can put x. If I put x, student, can you tell me this is not x because I am putting x only this side. The entire height is what? 200 plus x. So this is 200 plus x. Agree with me or not? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rest of them? Yes. Now please name all the things wherever you need. Okay. What are the right triangles you need? What are the right triangles? You have A, B, C, and D. More than enough. A, B, C, D. Other things, if needed, I will put in the middle. Okay. Don't introduce A, B, C, D, E, F, so many letters to it. It will get confused. Now, simple thing is to done. This AB is common between both the triangles. So you should know what are the two right triangles you are going to take. It's a very difficult question, seems, but if you understand, it's easy. Correct or not? First triangle, what I'm going to take? I'll take this triangle. What is that? Triangle ABC. Can you tell me which theta I'm going to take? Tan 30 degree. Opposite is what? BC. Adjacent is what? AB. So tan 30 value is what? Guys, systematically I'm going to use the same. I will apply the rule. BC is what? X. And AB is what? AB, let it be AB, student. No problem. Okay. Can you tell me what is AB here? AB equal to x root 3. Agree with me or not, everyone? AB equal to x root 3. Quickly. Say yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, everyone please respond. Harishankar, respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next triangle APD. I want Akshaya, are you okay? Your voice is audible. Try to talk. Try to talk, Akshaya. No, your voice is still not clear. At least you are able to hear me, no problem. No, sorry, your voice is not clear. Okay, Shivani, you tell me in triangle ABD, what is the steps? Guys, I'm going to follow the same steps. First, what is tan? Tan which degree? Quickly. Tan?
60, sir.
What is the opposite side?
BD, sir.
BD. Adjacent? AB.
AB, sir.
And tan 30 equal to what? Root 3. BD equal to what? BD equal to what? See it carefully and tell me.
400 plus x.
400 plus x. And adjacent is what? AB. Okay. Now from here I will get AB equal to what, student? You can bring this guy to here. What is the answer? 400 plus x upon root 3. Clear or not? So if I call this as a equation number 2, student. In equation number 1 and 2, which is common?
AB.
is common. So if left hand side equal, guys, same mantra I am applying, correct or not? Which is common in both the triangle, I am keeping that value in both side and equating that. So this will help you, what, student, to find x, correct or not, to find the value of x. So x root 3 equal to 400 plus x by root 3. So bring this guy 3x, then this guy 2x. Finally, x equal to what? 200. Am I right or not? 200 meters.
Yes, sir.
Guys, do the mind calculation. Okay, don't expect root 3 into 3, 3x. Bring this x, 3x minus x, 2x. So 2x equal to 400, x equal to 200. All these calculations in the mind. Now tell me, your x is the answer? No, x is not my answer. What is the question? Height of the cloud above the lake, which means what?
Sir, then 400
X is-
meter.
you have to add this. Anyone having doubts, student, till now, please ask me. This seems difficult question, student. If you are not able to follow it, you may find difficult later. Okay, ask me your doubts. I am ready to explain. Harishankar, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Simply, you don't want to write all the story also. If you want, you can write. Else, simply you can say required height equal to 400 meters. That's all. Okay, if no doubts from anyone, I'll go to the next problem. Okay, please understand this whole application of trigonometry, heights and distance. You should know how are you going to convert that situation or word problem into a diagram. Correct or not? See that, guys. Next question. So a bird is sitting on the top of the 80-meter high tree, student. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation, guys, see here, right? So now, right? Now from here, I'm looking into that bird. So this is ground, right? This angle of, guys, where is that bird? It's here, okay? Maybe cuckoo bird or whatever you will call, okay? It's like a bird or not, student. Okay, visualize. Okay, and you are looking into this 45 degree. It flies away horizontally in
Sir, and
such a
80
way.
meter high tree, sir.
Yeah, it is 80-meter high. Yes. It flies away horizontally in such a way it's remained in the constant height from the ground. Okay, it's flying. Okay, after 2 seconds, student, the angle of elevation of the bird is the same point. From this same point, it is 30 degree. Now, guys, now tell me, after 2 seconds, it's coming to here or here?
Sir, going left side.
Going left side. They are telling very clearly away. Or if you are not clear with that also, angle of depression is decreased, students. So angle of elevation is decreased. Which means if at all it's coming here, you have to raise your head, the angle of elevation will get increased. Right or not, the angle of elevation will get increased. So,
Yes, sir.
everything is matter. So this head is not in this direction. You have to erase it. This is going from in this direction, right, student? Just asking, I'm not that much good. Okay, it's not like No comments, student. Okay. No comments. Okay. Okay. Now coming to this student, same height. We clearly said same height. Okay. And how much distance? 2 seconds. Okay. But it's maintained the same height, student. That's also they clearly said. Okay. You may ask, sir, how come, sir? It knows whether it's maintained. Guys, trust me, it has a lot of signs. You know, we may not aware that. Okay. Now you are seeing the second, guys, it's not two different bats, same bat is playing. Okay, so now tell me what is the angle of this? It is 30 degree. I'm spending a lot of time for the diagram, students. Okay, the reason you have to be very clear on that. Okay, so 45 degree, 30 degree, everything is done, student. Now guys, this distance you should know, because after 2 seconds they are asking what? Find the speed of the flying bat. So let it be speed of the bat. Let it be v, student. Which letter? Shall I put x? Shall I put x? It's not necessary you have to put x. But below the diagram itself mention that you are keeping the speed as x. Now 2 times 2x. Are you clear? Because 2 seconds, na? 2 seconds in the speed, you will get distance. So 2x is not a speed, 2x is not a time, 2x is the distance. Crystal clear or not, everyone? Anything else I have given? Yes, this is 80 meters. Right. So your next duty is what, student?
The
Name it.
distance you took as x and we got 2x, sir.
No, I'm taking speed as x.
Okay, so yeah, sir.
Speed as x. So this is time into speed. Is distance. 2x is
Yes,
distance.
sir.
Everyone, rest of them, Shivani is asking doubts, rest of them. All are clear? Sri
Yes,
Vaishnavi,
sir.
are you clear? Sri Vaishnavi, are you clear? Okay. Guys, the beautiful is there. Anyone notice that in triangle CBD, 45 degrees there, student. Are you clear? So beauty of 45 is what? If this is 80, this guy also 80. No, sir, my teacher wants us to write detailing. I'm writing for your namesake. I'm writing. Okay. Which triangle I'm taking? CBD. CBD. But same mantra. First, what you'll take? Tan 45 degree. Opposite is what? BD. Adjacent is what? BC.
BC.
Guys, tan 45 equal to what? Anyone can tell me?
1.
Tan 41. And BD equal to what? 80. BC equal to what? So eventually, guys, you will get BC equal to 80
Yeah, sir.
meters. Correct or not? This is what I said directly, student. No, sir, my teacher wants us to write. Right, no problem. Okay, because some of them I heard from, I think Akshaya, no, one student told to write everything detailed. Okay, not sure. Who said? Okay, let it be the second triangle. Okay,
AEC.
AEC. No, guys, keep the 90 degree always in the middle to avoid confusion always. CAE. Okay, CAE. Now tell me which theta? Tan
And 30 degree.
30. The opposite is what? AE. Adjacent
AC.
AC. As usual, sir, shall I directly? No, first line, write the letter. Okay, that's what the rule we are following. Na? So tan 30 equal to what? 1 by root 3. AE what? AE. AE is 80. And AC is what? BC. BC already you know 80. 80
2x
plus
plus
AB.
BC.
AB is what? 2x. So 2x plus 80. Agree with me or not, everyone? Guys, the magic you see here, this is one equation, only one variable. Hereafter what? Hereafter what? Pure algebra. Am I right or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
X plus 80 equal to 80 root 3.
Sir, 2x.
X, 2x. Okay. So now tell me which implies 2x equal to what? 80 √3 minus 1. Correct or not? I'm moving
Yeah,
80
sir.
minus 80, then 80 I'm taking out. Guys, I'm doing more than 2 steps in one place. Clear or not? Now tell me what is the final answer.
X is equals to 40 into √3 minus 1.
Excellent. Direct answer. Direct answer. How 40 coming? Guys, you can cancel like this. Okay. 40 into √3 minus 1. Sir, X is what, sir? X is speed. That is the question. But they clearly said, student, take this value. So you have to take. Okay. So again, who is ready to say that? What is this speed unit? Okay, I'll ask that question later. You tell me √3 1.732 minus 1 is what? 1.732 minus 0.732. Guys, 0.732 into 40 is what?
29.28.
Are you getting that? 29.2. They are giving only 29.2, but it's 29.28 is the correct answer. 29.28. Now I want, guys, this X is okay, sir. Now answer, I can say speed of the, you can say speed of the flying bird equal to answer. Okay, sir. What is the unit I have to put, sir? What is the unit? They are asking speed. So what is the unit? Meter. Meter is sufficient, student? No. Per what?
Second.
Per second, sir. Why, sir? Because I consider second only. Anyone having doubt? Guys, how to put the unit? Quickly. No doubts
No,
means what?
sir.
Doubt. Say no doubt. Harishankar, do you have any doubts? Arsh, Meghul, Sri Vaishnavi, Srilekha, Devesh.
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Have I called everyone? Am I missing anyone? Harishankar, no response from you.
No, sir, no doubt.
Now,
The same question.
the angle of elevation. Are you finding that, guys, sir? These all the questions are difficult, guys. That's the purpose I'm taking all this question, because you are attending crash course and we already solved all the simple question in the last class. Okay, today's class mainly for dealing with this kind of question only. I know that normally generally teacher will not take, because it's pain, you know, teacher also will feel pain, and you know, making you guys to understand also is difficult, but still I am taking because somehow you guys wants to know all these difficult questions, right? So the angle of elevation of the aeroplane, okay, a point on the ground, guys, same story is coming now. Instead of, you know, that point, observer object, remember that my
Instead of
keyword
bird,
is,
aeroplane, right, sir?
yeah, that's what my keyword is, student. Observer object. This is what my keyword. So observer is here, object is there. That's all. Okay. This is the ground. Okay. What's happening? What's happening? Aeroplane from a point A and the ground is 60. After flying 50 seconds, guys, same thing. Same story is starting. Correct or not? I think after doing the problem, you feel that yes, this is not difficult. It is all repeated pattern. Agree or not, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Repeated things. We are normally, we will, these kind of question we'll see, oh God, how to deal with that. But moment we understand that, we should be happy how to deal with that. Same mantra. But or not. Now, this is the aeroplane story with the same height. So one is 60 degree, other is 30 degree. This is 60 degree.
Sir, if it is in seconds and all, we don't need to convert, right, sir?
No. Wait. Don't get any confusion. If it is required, convert. Else, no need.
Okay,
Now
sir.
coming to that. The constant height is what? 1500 √3. 1500 √3 meter. Now
So
the
then
question:
that is 15x, right, sir?
find the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour. Sir, we are having meter and the time is in second. So I'm saying that find the speed in meter per second. The later at last we will convert. Okay. So no need to worry now, right? From the point here. Are you clear, Shivani?
Yeah, sir.
No worry now. Now you declare the speed. Let the speed what? Let the speed is what? We can keep it as x, student. X or v, which is okay. X is okay now, everyone. What I have to write here immediately? ED is what? 15x. 15x. Anyone not clear with that? Why 15x? Harishankar, can you tell me why 15x here? On what basis I have written 15x? You can tell me. If you don't have an answer, no problem. Sir, I'm not clear. Any answer?
BC same to ED, same.
No, why I'm writing 15x? On what basis? Sir, ED is the distance, sir. And x is the speed, sir. With speed, I'm multiplying what? Time.
50.
So if I multiply speed into time is what? The result is what? Distance.
15x.
15x is the distance, the multiplication of speed into time. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, coming to the next point. Which triangle I can take now? You can take big or small, no problems. You can take anything. I'll take the small one first because I know this height, so I can get this easily. Everyone clear or not? Okay, guys, I'm trying to make it in one play, one paper, one screen. That's why little bit, I'm using the right small letter. Okay, and writing one line, everything. Right? You can use a proper space when you're writing. So now, first triangle, what? ABE. Which angle? Tan in ABE
60.
30 or 60? Which angle? 60. Opposite is what? EB. Adjacent is what?
AB.
Tan. So now tell me tan 60 equal to what, student? Root 3.
Root 3.
Equal to what? EB equal to what?
1500 root 3.
So
By AB.
I don't know. So now tell me AB equal to what?
1500.
Meter. Clear or not? You can say this is meter per second. Okay. So no need to worry. X meter per second. So guys, one triangle over. Next triangle. Next triangle is what? ACD. AC. Tan which degree? 30 degree. Opposite is what? CD. Adjacent? AC. Tan 30. 1 by root 3. Guys, after doing so many problems, automatically speed will get increased. And guys, AC is what? 15x plus 1500. Correct or not? Guys, I'm applying same mantra. If you follow the previous problem, question only seems different. But literally, I'm following same steps. Agree with me or not, everyone? No response. Guys, please respond. This is not good. 4,500. Correct or not? 4,500. Mehul, it's correct or not till now? Harsh,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Sri Vaishnavi, please respond. I'm not getting any response from you, Sri Vaishnavi. Okay, guys. Now tell me, 15x equal to what? If you move that side, what is the answer you'll get? 4,500 minus 1,500 is 3,000.
3000.
Anyone tell me what is x directly? 200 na? Or not? X equal to 200. Any
Yes, sir.
doubt? Please ask me. Any doubt? Please ask me. Good. So guys, now this x equal to what? X equal to what? X equal to your meter per second. That's what we declared. So how are you going to convert that into kilometer per hour? First thing is, student, it is x equal to 200 meter per hour, sorry, meter per second, which is equal to 200 meter. I want to convert into kilometer. What you will do? You will multiply by 1000 or divide by 1000? Guys, please tell me what you will do. Divided by 1000. And this result is student for what? For 1 second. But for I want for hour. Clear or not? I want it for hour. So which means what? Actually, you know, seconds mean how you'll convert into second. You have to divide by 3900, but denominator will come to the numerator. Are you clear? You can remember that way also. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. I really appreciate you. Arsh is responding very well. Most of them not responding.
18 by 6.
Sir, can
Right.
you once elaborate that one, sir?
Yes, you have to ask Sivani. Okay. So it is meter. You want to convert kilometer. So if you want to convert into meter to kilometer, you have to divide by 1000. Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, second, how you will convert to hour? You have to divide by
Divide.
3600.
Yes, sir. Divide.
But already it's in the denominator. Denominator will come to the numerator. Correct or not?
Yeah, sir. Understood.
Or you can think that this is for 1 second. I want it for 1 hour. So you have to multiply by 3600. Na? Correct or not?
Yeah, sir.
You can think logically. You can apply algebraically, guys, student. But make sure that your answer should be correct. Okay. Now this 10. This 0 will get cancelled. Now tell me what is the answer? 36 into 2, 720. 720 kilometer per hour. Agree with me. Now you can write the answer, student. Speed of the plane. Speed of the plane is equal to 720 kilometer per hour. Guys, whether you're putting unit here, whether it no matter, the final answer should show the correct unit. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. I know that questions are difficult. Okay, I'm trying my best, student, to make you guys understand. Okay, I'll take I think shadow. These things you know, no? I think this problem you know. I don't. Let me put the problem, guys. It's a 6th problem in our worksheet. This you know, right? How to deal with that, because there are so many other problems I want to discuss. Anyone having doubt, tell me, student. I can solve. Else I can move to the next question.
Yeah, sir. We can do this, sir.
You can do that. Next, this
Sir,
question.
altitude in the sense depression, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
But again, you have to convert inside. Bring the all depression finally convert into elevation, student. Okay.
Yeah,
This
sir.
you know how to deal with that. From the top, no speed related sums. That's why I'm asking you guys to do that. 7th question, guys. Read the
Sir,
question.
like lay questions that inside and all, like that questions you do, sir. Lake question, sir. You did right, sir. That cloud ones.
Yeah.
Like that questions you do, sir.
Yeah. That I will do. Yes. No, I'm asking. Okay. Because you have to complete the worksheet, student. Okay. Everyone, you have to complete the worksheet. Just you tell me what are the questions you find difficult. Okay. If no doubts on the 7th question, guys, I'm taking the 8th question. 8th question, do you need my support? Quickly, guys. How many of you really tried the worksheet which I shared? Guys, 3 days before, right?
Sir, 7th one can you do, sir?
You want the 7th one? Okay. So,
Sir, otherwise you just explain the question, sir.
right. Guys, I'll explain the question. Okay. Diagram I'll do. Rest of them you will do. Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
That agreement is over, everyone. So I'll give the diagram for everything. You do yourself. Okay. So in that case, 6th one I think you don't want because it's directly textbook problem. And from the this one, okay. This is a hill, okay. From the top of the hill, the angle of depression, 2 consecutive stones. Guys, do you know what is this one? Kilometer stones, right? When you are traveling on the road, guys, right? in the main road, they will put some city name or place name. They will mention that it is having 28, which means from that place where you are, it is having 20 kilometer distance. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you say that two consecutive, for example, this is showing some kilometer 27, and this will show on that city it will show 26, which means what? This is called two consecutive. Clear or not? Or
Sir, then
form
the distance is 1 kilometer, sir.
that's the meaning of that.
Okay, sir.
So distance is 1 kilometer. That's all. So we know that this depression you can convert into what? You can close your eyes, you can put the angles to it. Correct or not? Which angle will be more? What I have to suppose I have to fill? 45 is there, 30 degrees there. I have to fill 45 degree here or 30 here?
45 degrees, sir.
45 degree. Correct or not? You should not do the mistake. Even without reading the question, you can write the degree. Correct or not? Without we can write the angles. Everyone. Clear or not? Very simple, right? So now I think you can solve rest.
Yes, sir.
Question is find the height of the hill. H, A, B, C, D.
Only the doubt of that kilometer stone, sir.
Yes. So the moment you see this is H, this also H. Direct answer. Correct or not?
Yes,
This is
sir.
H, means this is also H. Since tan 45 equal to 1. So second triangle you will take. What is that? Opposite H, adjacent H plus 1. So if we solve, you will get your H. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Very simple, the understanding the problem, seems difficult, but the moment you understand, everything easy. Okay, tell me the next question, whether you need my support. They're asking ratio, correct or not?
Yes, sir. You just give the diagram, sir.
Okay.
Sir, diagram.
Diagram, right. So the tops of the two towers of the height X and Y standing here, okay, subtend the angle 30 degree at the center, guys. This is feet, okay. This is one tower. This is other tower, right? And this is a center. These tops of the two tower. Are you clear, student? This is tower
Sir, they
1.
didn't give that the
This is
center.
tower.
height.
They said clearly now, you see here. At the center
Yes,
of the
sir.
line joining the feet. This is a feet. Correct or not? They said this. And what is the height? They said one height is X, other height is YA. And the angle is what? Can you tell me where I need to put 30, where I need to put 60? You can put anywhere, but by seeing the diagram, student.
Sir,
Can you tell
30
me
is
what I
the
need to put? What I need to put here? By seeing the diagram, you tell me. Here 30 or 60?
30 degrees, sir.
30, because it seems small, na? This towers compare than tower 2. I put small, okay? So 30 degrees here, and other things is 60 degrees. And this is, we can keep it as Z, student. That's all. Guys, done. Your answer is automatic. Take this triangle A, B, C, D, E. Take A, B, C.
BC and CD are equal, sir.
Yeah, it's a midpoint, huh? That's why you keep it as Z. So now tell me, from this triangle, if I take opposite by adjacent, you will get X in terms of Z. Agree with me or not? X in terms of Z. And if you take this triangle, you take Y in terms of Z, then final answer is what? X by Y, Z will be cancelled. You will get final number. The number is 1:3. 1 by 3.
Yes,
Clear or
sir.
not? Everyone, how to approach this problem? So many questions I shared, right? But still, guys, tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is our doubt clarification session. Repeatedly, I'm saying that, no, trust me, student, no one is coming and asking me, what can I do? I'm going to escalate to all of your parents, okay? That I'm going to send the message today that no one properly utilizing the Sunday clarification session. For whom I'm running? For you guys only. You guys will say, sir, we are totally busy. Guys, what is the busy? In 3 days, we are finishing one chapter with all advanced level questions, just in 2 classes. If you are studying more than that, which means what? You are simply studying not a productive way. Am I right or not, Shivani? If you think 1 year syllabus, we are covering it in 2 classes, 3 days, 3 hours. Still you are studying that mean I don't know what is the things you are studying. Correct or not? Maths is one of the difficult subject. That itself we are able to cover this much easy means. Think about other subject. Think about other subject. I don't know. I don't know why you guys are struggling too much. Everyone struggling. I really don't know. Just for 5 subjects. In that 3 subjects are automatic. Only science and maths is difficult. Going tuition, attending the class. But if I ask some basic question, you don't know how to answer. But what the hell you guys are studying? What's the use of studying? What's the use of studying till 12 o'clock, waking up in the mornings 5 o'clock? I really don't know. Even you don't know the basics. Guys, time to realization. Clear or not? So utilize my class properly. Okay. Now coming to that. Next. Guys, you see here how difficult these questions. But the moment you understand, it's easy. Correct or not? So Shivani, can you read this question?
Amit standing on a horizontal plane, find a bird flying at a distance of 200 meters from him at an elevation of 30 degrees.
Yes, stop there. Okay. So Amit is here. And he's looking the bird here. Okay. How much distance between this?
200
meter.
meters.
Now, in which angle?
30 degree.
Right. And this is the line joining with the ground. Right. Now coming to the next chart, read that.
Deepak standing on the roof of a 50-meter high building. Find the angle of elevation of the same bird to be
So
40.
Deepak is standing on a roof of the building which is 50-meter high. So this is that building. But where is that building? Read that. Amit and
Deepak are on opposite sides of the bird. Find the distance.
Which means what? Is this side. Are you clear, my dear student? Are you
Yes,
clear?
sir.
It's very, very important, right? The visualization is very, very important. Done. So this is the, you just create an imaginary line. And from here, yes, from here, he is looking into the same bag, same position.
But the angle is 45 degrees.
Yes. You may have a question, sir. Amit is little height, sir. Why his angle of elevation is 45 degree? Supposed to be this guy elevation is more. Can you tell me this angle is not just determined by the height, also distance? This guy may be very close to the bird. That is why the angle of elevation
Yes,
is
sir.
more, even though height is less. Are you clear? Guys, think that science, everything science. Oh God, this is the diagram. But no, don't worry. How many right triangles are here? If you put A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, F is other triangle. E, D, F, one more triangle. Then what is the question they are asking? Find the distance of the bat from the Deepak. Means this distance. Don't say this distance. This is a distance. So first time they are asking hypotenuse as your answer. Hypotenuse as your answer. Sir, what can I do? No problem. You find these two distance and you apply Pythagoras and you will get right now. Clear or not? And this is 45 degree student. Beauty of 45 is what? If I put this is X, this also has to be X.
Yes,
Am I right or not? Am I right or not? Since tan 45 equal to 1. Right. Done. Guys, one triangle work already over. Okay. And yeah, the building height is what? 50 meter. And then this will be what? 50 meter. Agree with me or not? So what is the entire height?
X plus
50 X. 50 plus X. Agree with me or not, everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done. Khatam over. If you find x student, you can tell me what is the value. Correct or not? For example, if this is 5, then this also 5. 5 square plus 5 square plus, what is that? Oh, Chechi, Varano, how are you? I thought. Okay, so any Malayalis here? I'm talking Malayalam. It's good Malayalam or not? Mehul, you are Malayali, right? Mehul.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not able to hear you, Mehul.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right, coming here. Come to here. Okay. So now take this the triangle. What is that? ABF. 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 Triangle ABF. Anyone can tell me, shall I take tan
Sir,
theta?
we can take sine 30, sir.
Yes, because I know hypotenuse and I don't know opposite side. So which theta will relate opposite and hypotenuse?
Sine.
Which theta? Yes, very, very important student. Okay, this is the first time, right, student? After so many problems, sine 30 is coming to picture. So sine 30 is BF opposite side and adjacent side is, sorry, hypotenuse is what?
AF.
AF. So do you know sine 30 value is what?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. BF is what?
X plus 50 by 200.
Plus 50 on 200. Which is the result is what, student?
100.
X plus 50 equal to 100. So x equal to 50. Agree with me or
Yes,
not?
sir.
X equal to 50 meter. Guys, you got x. Now you know how to find your FE. Therefore, FE equal to root of 50 square plus 50 square. What is the answer? 50 square. 2500 plus 2500. Guys, tell me at least for this. I want answer from you all. What is the answer?
5,000, sir.
5,000 plus, sorry, 5,000, then take the roots. Take the root. 1 minute. Just I'm in the middle of a message. Let me send. You guys find the answer and you tell me, okay? Don't sit idle. Just some urgent message. Yes. Okay. You got the answer. Guys, instead of that, you can do this way also. 50 you can take 50 square, you can take an out. So 50 root 2 final. Okay. This is actually shortcut. Okay. You can say this is a mantra you should know. Root of a square plus a square equal to a root 2. Clear or not? 50 root 2. So 50 root 2. So root 2 value is what, student? Root 2 value is what? 1.414. But they didn't give you that. You can leave the answer like this. But I put 70.7. Just check that, student. Everyone knows that now root 2 is 1.414 something. Correct or not? Correct or not? So 50 into 1.414 is equal to, your answer is 70.7 meter. So guys, you see a big problem, a big diagram. Finally, what? It is less than the normal problem. Correct or not? So you will say required distance. You can say distance from the particular person. Instead of that, you can say required distance 70.7 meter. Sir, shall I write 50 root 2? Yes, you can write, no problem. I am saying that, student, in that case, because we don't know how the key is given, right? 50.2 meter or 70.7 meter. Why? Because sometimes key may not show that, key may show this. So you are giving opportunity to get marks for both. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Megul, sorry, Harsh, answer rest of them.
Yeah, sir.
Right. Hari, what do you feel?
Yes,
You
sir.
clear? Hari Shankar. And guys, I think rest of them are okay. No, here one. Okay. Maybe guys, I can take one more session tomorrow. Again, answer, can you take me directly? Guys, if I take more days, you know that you want to finish your syllabus, correct or not? You want to finish your syllabus as early as possible. That's the main reason even I'm conducting classes on Sunday. Right, guys, two posts are k meter apart and the height of one double the other. If from the midpoint of the line segment joining the feet, okay, I think similar problem we have seen. Oh, some here angles are, guys, how to deal with a complementary angle, we already have seen that. Guys, if one pole is height, one post is height, other post is what? Double of that. Other post is double. Okay. So now from the midpoint, some observer is seeing this and seeing this. Correct or not, everyone? And this is considered H means this will be 2H. And this is theta means this is 90 minus theta. Why? Because the angles are complementary. Guys, diagrams over. And you know the distance between that is K means what? Half of the distance K by 2. Any doubt on this diagram, please ask me. I can ready to explain, student. Diagram is the ultimate. Diagram is the ultimate. No doubts? Super, right. Guys, then let's name it. Start. A, B, C, D, E. Start. The question is what? Find the height. Okay, find the height. Height of the shorter means they are asking this H. Very simple. Okay. So now start. Okay, take this small triangle. Okay, what is that? Triangle
ABC.
What is that? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side is what?
H
AB.
by.
You can write H by, yes, you can write H by K by 2. So
2H by
what?
K.
Yeah, 2H by K. This is tan theta student. Now coming to the second triangle. CDE. CDE. Keep the 90 degree in the middle. Tan which angle, student? Not theta. 90 minus theta. Why? It's a complement. That's why I put 90 minus theta. Opposite side is what? 2H. Adjacent side? K by 2. Now many students will cancel this 2. Is it correct? Cancelling 2 is correct.
No, sir. 4H
No.
by K.
Cot theta. Guys, tan theta and 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. It is 4H by K. And guys, next we are going to apply one mantra that I applied in the last day class also. Whenever you have complementary angles, finally your result will be one angle, one value is for tan theta, other value for cot theta. Now if you multiply, these two will get cancelled. Not division, please remember. Now the mantra is 1 into 2. So what is that? What is that?
1 by
K.
cot theta.
2H by K into 4H by K is equal to tan theta into cot theta. Sir, why you are not writing in the left? No need, because my H has to be here, right? And no. Yes, H. Yeah, H you will get, right? So guys, tan theta, cot theta will get cancelled. So what you will get finally, student? What will you get? 8H square below 8H square equal to K square. Now I want what? No, something wrong. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now take a root. Take a root, but by 4 is coming. But I want H. H square equal to what? K square by 8. 8 will be 2. I know that. What's the problem? Okay, because they are rationalizing. Now I understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rationalizing the denominator. Okay, I was right. Okay, so no space. I'm writing it here. So h equal to, directly I'm writing student, h equal to k by 2 root 2. So how to rationalize that? Root 2 multiply. So finally what is the answer?
K root 2 by 4.
K root 2 by 4. So h equal to k root 2 by 4. This is what your height of shorter one, right? Are you clear? I know that today you guys will get tired like anything, right? But these are all good quality
Sir, for
questions.
2h will get us 2k root 2 by 4.
But
right,
they are
sir?
asking only height of the.
No, sir. Just simply asking.
If they are asking 2 means you multiply. So what will happen? Here 2 will come. Correct or not? K root 2 by 2.
K root 2 by 2. Okay, sir. Yes. Sir.
Excellent. Doubts are welcome. I'm so happy. Any doubt? Guys, 22 sums, all golden sums. Guys, I spend nearly, how much time I spend. Clear or not? You get enough question everywhere. But, finding the right question again is a difficult job. Very, very difficult job, right? So there are speed related sums also there. Guys, are you okay to stay 5 more minutes? The last 2 question, which includes, guys, that derivation means not a numerical answer. Clear? So are you okay to stay, guys, quickly?
Yeah, sir.
Right. So this answer, they ask you to prove this. Okay. So now you see here, this you just visualize, how the story is. From a window, the window is how much height? H meters from the ground. Okay, guys. This is the window. And this is the window, right? Window is the observer. Okay. This is H meter from the ground. This is the ground, right, student? And from this window, normally we'll do not from the window, we'll see opposite side. That what from the window you are seeing the opposite house, okay, and the opposite side of the street, right? Opposite of the street means directly opposite, okay. And the angle of elevation and depression. So this observer from this window seeing the top as well as bottom. And where is the horizontal level? This is the horizontal level. Horizontal line. Anyone having doubt or not? Guys, this is the window and this is the building, right or not? Another house. This is a house we can see. Opposite side. And the angle of elevation is what, student? Theta 1. Angle of depression? Theta 2. Show that the height of the opposite house is this. Oh God, what a beauty.
Sir, once
So
again.
you know this height. From this, you are going to find the height of the house. It's a miracle, guys. It's a miracle. Correct or not? This is the beauty of trigonometry. This is the beauty of trigonometry. Okay. I'm going to call it as A, B, C, D. Very simple. First triangle, second triangle. Add both. This is H, student. This is also H. And answer is ready. Clear or not? So what is BC? Maybe you can write it as X, student. You can write it as X. If you know X, answer is done. That's all, very simple. If you know X, answer is done. If you know X in terms of H, answer is done. If you know X in terms of H, answer is done. So I'm going to take the first, this triangle, student. Why? Because I know this height. So I can easily find this guy. Correct or not? So I'm going to take ABD triangle, right angle, ABD, student. What is that? Tan theta 2. Opposite is what? BD. Adjacent side is what? AB. So what is tan theta 2 now? Tan theta 2 is equal to BD is what? H. AB is what? AB. Let it be AB. But can I say AB equal to H by tan theta 2? Which equal to H into cot theta 2. Agree with me or not, everyone? Agree with me or not? Huh? Shivani, I didn't get. What?
Sir, why cot theta, sir?
1 by tan theta 2. 1 by tan theta is cot theta, na?
Okay, sir.
Reciprocal, na? 1 by tan theta is theta. Now second triangle. What is that second triangle? ABC. What is that? ABC. Tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 is what? Opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. So now tell me tan theta 1. BC is what? X. AB is what? This guy. Right or not? H cot theta 2. Guys, tell me now XC equal to what? X equal to what? Bring this guy. H into tan theta 1.
Into cot theta.
Tan theta 1 into cot theta 2. You got your X in terms of H and theta everything. Correct or not? This result is helping us here. So guys, if you mark this as equation number 2, now this equation 2, you got X. Now you know height of the opposite house. So height of the house, you can say required height. Normally I use this way. Required height means whatever in the question they ask, that is your required height. So H plus H into what?
Tan
H.
theta into cot theta 2.
Tan theta 1 into cot theta 2. Guys, if you take out H out, can you tell me what will happen? 1 plus
Tan
cot
theta into
theta
cot
2.
theta 2.
By tan theta 1, if you bring to reciprocal denominator, it's cot theta 1. Right or not? Right or
Yes.
not? You are do that. That's all, students. So that rule, fundamental rule, not changing, my dear students. Try your level best. You know, I am sure that this time you are going to get your 5-mark question from this chapter. So solve all these questions. I'm sure that you'll be able to solve any kind of question. Am I right or not, everyone? All difficult we addressed. Okay. So any other doubt before closing today's session? Quickly. Any other doubt? Hari, Shankar, do you have any other doubt? Shivani, do you have any other doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Arsh?
No,
Arsh?
sir.
No. Right. Okay. Megul, Akshaya, I'm not sure. Your voice is Devesh. Are you clear? Right. I'm not sure. I didn't get the response. Right. I think through chat he responded. Okay. Right, student. Take care. So try all the remaining problems and bring your doubts. Guys, what is the next chapter? Maybe you're planning to take a surface area volumes. That's a great chapter. One of the big chapter from your things. We are going to learn that chapter. Right, student? Take care. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye, sir.